Hi guys, welcome to another video, man. I'm so excited about this one. I believe this has never been done before. Correct me if I'm wrong, man. I know I can't be the only one, but I've never seen anyone doing this kind of videos. So yeah, man, and it's going to be exciting because what I'm doing here, as you can see in my charts, I'm actually, these charts have already been analyzed, and there's actually has been movement in this chart. So what I'm doing now, I am going to do a review, a preview. What is it, man? Not even, it's not a, I'm doing some sort of a catch up, you know. I don't know if I don't know, guys, for the lack of a better word, I am doing a review, right? For the lack of a better word. So what I'm doing here, I'm going to show you my chart from Monday the 4th of September. I believe it was right about here. I mean October, 4th of October. Let me indicate the 4th of October until today, the 8th of October, right? The 8th of October. So this is how the market has moved for the week, and these were the trades I took, and these are the wins that I took, and I only, honestly, I took one loss, guys, and I'm going to show you how I was able to catch such good entries and actually maximize from the market, though it was ranging, right? So how did I get to know that this level was going to be a level of support? Obviously, you can see from the past, this was where the market from here has rejected before. So if I might try to indicate it like this is how I usually watch the market. The market came down, right? And then from there it couldn't break below. It went up, it came down again for the second time here, and then the third time here, still couldn't break, and then it went up, right? Already at that time, guys, honestly, I'm not lying to you, this is when I drew this horizontal level, because for me it told me that that level, that specific level, is a strong level of support. So in the future, if ever the market gets there, I need to be cautious about it, and I need to actually be careful and see what I can do to maximize from it. And I actually have a trade that I took. There was a sell that I took here. This sell, guys, I actually caught it from here, right here, and I think I should I'm gonna pull out a screenshot, by the way. You're gonna see it at the corner right there. I took that sell, and this is how I trade, guys. Really, this is how I trade it. This is not I'm not trying to lie to you. I'm not selling you fake fake whatever, man. This is legit 100%. So look at this. Also, we have this level here as a resistance, support, and then resistance. So look, no, man. The market, look at what the market did, guys, né? Pay careful attention. I'm trying to get it here because that's where I had it for me to catch those sells. So the market gave a support back here, not once, but it gave it twice, right? So for me, I then drew this thing. In my mind, I was like, man, this is a strong level of support, right? And in the future, I need to look out for it. Great, I did. So look at what happens. The market then broke below, didn't respect that. It broke below, and I was like, okay, since well it broke below and it looks like it's not gonna come back up, I should be looking for a retest and then enter a short position. And guess what the market did, man? It went up, gave me a short position, right? And so that is where when I drew that level, which then was relevant to this week's trading, right? Let me delete that. I need to have my charts as clean as possible. Just a few minutes, guys. I have a problem with my trading view app. It's very slow, man. It's so slow. It's just too slow. So Monday, guys, when the market opened on Monday, this is what I did. This is how I did, right? I opened with the good one, right? So the market on Monday, when it opened, it opened and looked like it was above this level, and at that time I was so convinced to enter for a buy position, right? I was so convinced, but just when I was there, I think around about 4 o'clock, if it wasn't 5 o'clock, I had seen that the market has dropped. So it was, yeah, I think, yeah, this was 5 o'clock. the market has dropped below, and to me it was like, okay, if the market was supposed to go bullish and it actually came back inside the box of a range, what could that mean? It could mean that we are possibly no longer going up, but rather we are going down. So in my mind I was like, okay, I'm gonna wait, since all this is a break, I'm gonna wait for a retest, and then I'm gonna enter for a short position, which I did, by the way. I entered here for a short position. It played out very well, no drawdown whatsoever. It just went into profit instantly, guys. And so when the market came down, right, it came down and it looked like, okay, that was a great place for me to take profits, because it rejected. It looked like it was going up, but then couldn't. It came back down again for the second time, and by this time I was like, okay, should I enter for a buy? And I was like, nah, you know what, this looks like it's too good to be true, man. It can't be. Let me wait and see. So, and then the market pulled away, you know, and I was like, shit, man, I lost a lot of money right there. I could have made a lot of money, and guess what? Just when I was beating myself at that time, the market then dropped again, giving me another, I'm sorry for the background noise, giving me another opportunity to enter for a bullish entry, which is I did, and I actually went into profits, very good profits, no drawdown whatsoever, right? Once again. And there's actually a trade that I missed. I'm gonna show you so you can clearly see here that the market then went up. When it was up here, the market according to me, I thought that okay, wait a minute, guys. I'm sorry for that, guys, but I'm back. So I was saying there was a trade that I missed. It was a sale, right? So what happened, the market came up, right? It was above the resistance. So right about here I took a buy. I remember I took a buy. I just didn't enter here because I was at that time, I think I was at my friend's place and I was not near the charts, so I couldn't place these things, right, that I usually place. I took a buy with a take profit that was about 100 pips. It was very far, guys, and the market really didn't respect my setup, though it looked like it was going to respect, because I took it here, it went up, it came down, it went up, and then when it was here I saw that there is a resistance right there. Should I close, should I not? And I was like, nah, man, let me trust the analysis and let the market move, right? I let the market move, and the market moved against me. It dropped. The market dropped, guys, and I was like, shit, man, I'm fucked, right? But I was still okay, because, you know, I understand you win some and then you lose some. And I was like, okay, since all the market is below here, I'm gonna wait for a retest and then enter for a sale. I don't know what I was busy doing, guys, at that time. I don't know what I was doing. I really don't remember. And the market actually went there. It gave a good setup for a sell. I just was not there, man, to take advantage of this, man. I was not there, and I you know, but it's okay, man. I just needed to, you know, set reminders. In the future I will. So the market dropped, right, which was a good thing, because it says the strategy works. And now the market was, because I remember I saw it when it was up, I think it was here. This is where I saw it, and I was like, man, it's too late for me to enter for a sell. I can't enter on this market, man, it's too late. I said I'm gonna wait for when the market reaches the support, and then I'm gonna look for buying opportunities. The market came here. It looked like it was gonna drop, but I remember I went to a 5 minutes chart. Let's go there for you to see it clearly, guys. Oh my god. So it looked like it gave something like a double bottom or something. You're gonna see, man. You're gonna see it. Oh no, not really a double bottom, but a break and retest on a smaller time frame. So the market looked like it was ranging a bit here, but look at what it did. It gave an impulse, and then I was like, okay, this was the last resistance, and now the market is above it, so I'm waiting for the retest on that resistance and then a continuation. And as the market was here, it gave me this doji. Before it even closed, it was right about here. I entered, man. I entered for a buy, and man, it went according to the analysis straight to take profit, right? And so far for the week I was so happy because I was busy taking wins, though some I missed. I missed two trades, two profitable trades, but man, I was making a killing, right? Man, I was making a killing. So so this is gold only, guys. This was gold. I don't trade fundamentals. I do check them just for the sake of knowing what could possibly happen, but I don't really trade them anymore because what I saw is that the fundamentals, they just bring about liquidity in the markets. When fundamentals hit, you're gonna see the market moving a lot. It doesn't really decide on the direction, at least not every time, right? So then the market was here, right? It looked like it was respecting this as resistance. It looked like it really wasn't clear at that time, and I was like, nah, I'm not about to enter in a market I don't understand. And then the market came below. As it came below, I was like, okay, now I'm waiting for a retest, and I'm gonna enter for a sell, right? The market went up and firstly gave me this candlestick. I believe it's a hanging man type of thing. I really don't know the candlesticks. I never practiced them, but it looked like it was that. And then it gave a bullish candlestick, and right about them, and it gave me two dojis, right? Two. The first doji, I was like, okay, I'm not gonna enter. The second one, I was like, okay, no, fuck it, man, I'm gonna enter. I entered, and then it went to a massive drawdown. It was like, man, it saw that I'm gonna enter now, and as I entered, the market went against me, and I was like, what? Man, what? So at that time, I felt like, okay, I want to close this trade because clearly it's going for my stop loss, right? And mind you guys, I keep my stop loss always the same. The gap is always the same. The gap is always the same. So you must risk only a fixed amount of money. So if I entered here with the micro lot size, I could have lost only $4 and made $13. $4 right here and made $13 and made $13. So I won't expose my lot sizes, but you know, yeah, it's a fair one for me. It's a fair one. It's always a risk to reward of 1:2, 1:3. You know, sometimes if I'm lucky, 1:4. And this setup looked like it was gonna go to take profit right about here. It then went down, and then went up again. Came down, went up, came down. When it was here, man, I was like, nah, this doesn't look like it's gonna break. It looks like it has created another level of support. I never indicated it, but it looked like it has created another level of support. If you can look at it, guys, it looked like it had created another level of support, which if maybe I had thought about it that time, I could have entered for a buy here and caught this beautiful buy, but I didn't. And I was like, okay, no, it's fine. So the market then went up and reached that resistance. This was today, by the way, on Friday, the 8th of October. The market reached the peak, and I was like, okay, no, man, this is a clean one. This one is a clean one. We are overbought in this market. We are definitely going for shorts, and I entered for a sell. And man, I made a killing. So the risk to reward was 1:3, and if you were open the position with a micro, you could have made $17 just like that, man. So it was a good one for me, and I hope you found this video informative, guys. But yeah, man, if you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that next time other videos like these ones, when they drop, you get notified, man. Thank you for watching. I'm out.